Hello everyone, myself Spandana. I am pursuing MSc Computer Science at RBVRR Women's College. My seminar topic is about firewall design principle. Firewall is a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing traffic based on some predefined security rules. It will prevent the unwanted data from entering into the system. It is basically used for security and controlling incoming traffic. That means in messages which are receiving into the system and outgoing traffic. That means messages which we are sending. Firewall design principles. Firewall design principles are the rules which we have to follow while developing or designing the firewalls. There are five types of firewalling design principles. First one, developing security policy. Second one, simple design. Third one, choosing right device, layered defense. And fifth one, consider internal threats. First one, developing security policy. Security policy is a very essential part of firewall design. Security policy is designed according to the requirements of the company or the client to know which kind of traffic is allowed to pass. Without a proper security policy, it is impossible to restrict or allow a specific user or a worker in a company network or anywhere else. We should develop a security policy according to the client's requirements and also according to the incoming traffic. That means according to the incoming messages. Sec- Second one, simple design. If the design of the solution is complex, then it will be difficult to implement it. If the solution is easy, then it will be easier to implement it. A simple design is easier to maintain. If there are any new updates, those new updates can be easily done. Simple design is easy to maintain, and if there are any new updates, those new updates can be easily done in the simple designs. Third one, choosing the right device. When designing a firewall, it has to be secure system. The device in which firewall is designed should be fully secured. It has to be well designed. It should not be an outdated system. Choosing a device, while the device we are using for designing the firewall should be secure while designing. It should it should not be an outdated system. Fourth one is layered defense. Design should be multi-layered. If the security is broken, the network will be exposed to the external attacks. Multi-layer security design can be set to deal with different levels of threats. It gives an edge to the security design and finally neutralizes the attack on the system. Suppose if in the layered defense, there are multi-layers. If the security is broken at the one level, it can secure at the second level or a different levels. And fifth one, consider internal threats. The security becomes weak in case of the internal attacks, and most of the attacks are done internally as it is easy to access and design weakly. Different levels can be set in the network security while designing internal security. Filtering can be added to keep track of the traffic moving from lower level security to higher level security. Can what it defines what can happen inside the computer, and a filtering can be added to keep the track of what the messages are coming inside and out from out. Thank you.